A small introduction about thermodynamics. What is meant by thermodynamics? Thermo means heat. Dynamics means motion. Okay. The conservation of unorganized form of energy, into a organized form. What is meant by unorganized form of energy? Unorganized form of energy. Unorganized form of energy means nothing but the energy which we cannot use directly. That is known as unorganized form of energy. Okay, ఇక్కడ హీట్ ఎనర్జీ అనేది ఒక అన్ఆర్గనైజ్డ్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ. ఓకే, సింపుల్. ద థర్మోడైనమిక్స్ ఈజ్ ద సైన్స్ డీల్స్ విత్ కన్జర్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ heat energy into some mechanical work or energy. Simple. The thermodynamics is the science that deals with heat energy into some mechanical work. So here heat energy also we also call it as low grade energy. So this is this heat energy we cannot use directly, but this mechanical work we can use directly. So not only the conservation of heat energy to a mechanical work, and also it deals with the thermodynamics. It also deals with properties of a that particular system. So what it mean? The thermodynamics is the science that deals with conservation of heat energy into some mechanical energy and their properties also. Okay, and this thermodynamics based upon mainly two basic laws. This thermodynamics based on two basic laws. One, law of conservation of energy. The second one, law of conservation of mass. This total thermodynamics is based upon these two laws. ఓకే, సింపుల్. మనం ఏం అర్థం చేసుకున్నాం దీని నుంచి? ద థర్మోడైనమిక్స్ అనేది ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్, ఇట్ ఇస్ అ సైన్స్. అది ఏం డీల్ చేస్తుంది? ఒక సిస్టంలో ఒక సిస్టమ్ నుంచి మనం ఒక హీట్ ఎనర్జీని ఒక మెకానికల్ వర్క్ కింద ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం, అండ్ ఆ సిస్టంలో ఉండే ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఏంటి, ఇవన్నీ మనం ఈ థర్మోడైనమిక్స్ ద్వారా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ దిస్ total thermodynamic is based upon two laws, basic laws, that is law of conservation of energy and law of conservation of mass. What is law of conservation of energy? We know that the conservation of energy, what is that? Simple. The energy neither be created nor destroyed. In same manner, the mass neither be created nor destroyed. It's always changes its form, one form to another form. Okay, this is the some basic about thermodynamics.